Zone F, Falmouth. Yeah, we're down in Falmouth, Mass, Cape Cod. Bear with us. We don't have all the top gear. We'll fix that. We'll get some trips down here. So we're adjusting a little bit, but here's the protected bike trail, bike lane down in Falmouth. We'll call this Zone F, or maybe Zone FW. Gets over to Woods Hole. That's the direction we're going right now. So they got a lot of rentals down here. You can get on a bike, bring it down. This is one portion of the trail. Forget how long it is in Falmouth, but it's like a solid 10 miles or so, the whole thing. So you can get a lot of cycling in. And as you can see, it's very safe, protected lanes. Late July, I mean, you never know. We just had, when we first got down here, it was very strong sun, heat, and then today and yesterday, like low 70s.